Hello plant fam, welcome back to a new video. So today we're going to be doing some watering, and if you know anything about my house, that is a lot of water and a lot of plants. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here the only reason why I'm able to water the way I did is because this actually has a plastic container, as you can see here, so the water will go in there and stop. If it did not have one, it would just drip down, and we don't want that to happen. This one has a hole in the bottom, so I do have to be careful because the water will come out through here. So I can only water just a tiny bit, and then if I have any water that I spill, I just have to wipe that down. Okay, so here I took a lot of my smaller plants and I just put them here so I can bottom water. And usually when you bottom water, the plant will soak up the water from the bottom, and then you can get it out, drain it, and move on. So when I water, I like to take out any dead leaves that I see. Super important, especially in the winter. They're usually a lot. Let them soak it up. Okay, so here these plants all have a little tray in the bottom, and when they have a little tray in the bottom, what I normally do is I just pour some water and keep on moving. I am gonna check first to see if they need water. So the way I check is I look at the soil. Put my hand in and just see if it's, see, that's pretty dry because it's not sticking to my hand. So since it's not sticking, then I can water it. So if you're wondering, are the 3 plants on the top real? No, they're not. I am a lover of all plants. Fake, real, I love them all. Just send them my way and I'll give them a loving home. I would love to know, do you own any plants? Do you have plants in your home? Do you have real ones or fake ones? I always wonder how many plants people have. If you don't own any real plants, I would love to encourage you to try just one and let me know how it goes. And if you're looking for more tips on plants, make sure to follow me on the Jungle Much Instagram page. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing. I like to share home content. I do decorate with me, clean with me. I do plant videos. Okay, so here we just moved downstairs to water the plants in the living room. I'm just going to go around and pick off all of the dead leaves that I see, and then I'm going to water. These are my Wally Grow. They're super easy to hang plants.
Always buy flowers, always show up on time. They always make calls, always on that FaceTime. Something about when they're holding me late at night. It feels good but not right. I want love, but not that.
So removing dead leaves is one of my must-do steps in plant care, because leaving dead leaves in your plants will provide a great breeding space for pests.
Just wait for the one that's meant for me, 'cause I know my worth and I know I'm worth it. So until then, just wait. I'll just wait.
When I'm doing this, I just throw all the leaves on the floor and then I just go around, sweep, and move on.
That's my baby. So until then, they make me smile with those sweet, sweet lines. And I play along, though I've heard them a million times. So when they hold me, I know I'm not the
This is my Chinese evergreen, and this is a great plant for beginners. I did wanted to show you that I have a catch pot at the bottom. I have most of my plants that are inside basket in one of these because this prevents the water from going on the floor when you water.
just know something, I ain't settling. So I'll just wait for the one that's meant for me. 'Cause I know my worth and I know I'm worth it. So until then, just wait.
Okay, so now I'm actually walking with a old chopstick that I keep, that I just stick in the soil. If it comes out clean, just like my finger in the other plant, then I know it is ready to be watered. Now, I use this chopstick because this plant is pretty deep and I cannot get my finger all the way down there, so this is a great tool for you to use. Thank you so much for watering with me today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because there is only more goodness to come.